have anything to declare to the police?
Sir, what is the purpose of this stop again?
Purpose of this stop?
Yes.
We have it spot check, we check vehicle, we check passenger, we check documents.
So the so you're stopping me because you want to check the documents? What else?
We just have a random check.
It's a random check?
Yeah.
Officer, my name is Jamican. You know it's not legal to stop somebody for a random check? You know it's not legal to stop someone for a random check? I currently have 5 cases in front of the court with the police. Suing for breach of constitutional rights. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
I'm recording, by the way.
Yeah, I realize.
Yes.
So what are you saying? Over the years, police stopping people, we are doing something illegal.
Yes, and I brought it up already.
What are you saying?
Yes.
But that means that the system...
Let me turn off the engine. Let me turn off the engine.
They are misleading us.
Let me turn off the engine. Because I have all the time. Officer, as I said, there is such a thing as the constitutional right to freedom of movement, which as such allows me and all citizens,
yes,
whether you want to drive or whether you want to be walking, the freedom to move. Let me finish.
Yeah.
The freedom to move without arbitrarily being stopped by or harassed by the police. Yep.
Yeah.
That is a right.
Yeah.
Unless you have reasonable, articulable grounds to suspect that I have committed a crime, intend to, or wish to, or whichever way you want to put it.
That is exactly the reason why I stopped.
Yeah, but you can't change your mouth now. That is why I maybe start record. You cannot tell me after that fact that you are stopping me because you. Yes, go ahead. Sorry.
Yes. So
yes.
If you are carrying something illegal,
yes,
or if you're a criminal, are you going to write it on the car for me to see it?
Well, I might tell you the truth.
Okay, here's a criminal.
I've had this argument with even inspectors, and they have to just run and go.
How am I going to know?
And I'm saying that has been settled in the law.
Sir,
yes. You remember my name is Jamican. So I'm going to ask you simple. Are you ordering me or are you asking me for my documents? No, I'm not going to give it to you. Are you if you're ordering me? No, if you order me, I'll give it to you. But I'm not going to. Yes, order. Just like when I. No.
Are you going to comply, sir?
No, not unless you order me. Not unless you order me, sir. Because you're breaching my constitutional rights to freedom of movement. Yes.
Oh, why?
How? Me tell you already. Alright, let me come out of the vehicle.
I that I was going to arrest you, sir?
No, that is a misunderstanding that is always happening, you know. That is a misunderstanding. You know, no, that is a that is the misunderstanding. And I
arresting you from
alright.
I would like to check your
and I'm saying nothing under the law. I want to give the vehicle away heavy now because Thailand and I bottom and it's a poor soul. But anyway, the fact of the matter is nothing under the law gives any police officer the right to randomly, sir. I have a constitutional right to freedom. 5 lawsuits I have already, you know. 5. And all of them in there, you can't. So what they call this now? Fishing expedition. So, as I said, I just don't like the harassment.
I am not in a court.
Then that's okay.
And I am not a lawyer.
And that is okay.
I have no time for the long argument.
I am a student of the law.
Right?
I am a student of the law.
And that is why you come out, you want to give the police problem.
I'm not giving police problem. I'm standing up.
Stopping you, right?
It is an illegal stop.
Yeah?
Yes.
Why is it?
Because the law is alright, hold on. This is not my first. We can show you 300 videos. Yeah? The fact of the matter is this. No. Justice Davis Batts had sent the judgment to the commissioner at the time. Yeah. And make him know.
How long was that?
Quite a while. We can look for the judgment.
Why they not stop police from going out?
Because too many people don't. It's on the radio almost every day.
Yes,
lawyers are on there telling the people. Yes. It is not legal for a police officer, no matter which rank you want to have, to randomly stop someone's vehicle. Your office suspect say either you have a traffic misdemeanor, something about the vehicle must be off. And also that's why right now the parish council owe me about $150 million. And me I build a building out a long bit.
And you win, where you get that
you know
from?
what? As let me just pause it. And you cannot manufacture it now.
You can't manufacture
no,
what?
You're going to try best. Try your best shot. Read all our reasonable grounds.
All of them is there.
Okay, we can stop and search.
Yes.
Under the Firearms Act.
Yes. That's not reasonable grounds. That's an act. You can stop under the prayer last in the act. You can stop on the search under the dangerous drugs, under the human trafficking.
Yeah.
You have a million of them. I know all of them.
Yeah.
But none of them exceeds the constitutional right to freedom of movement.
I am not stopping your freedom of movement, sir.
Yeah, but you've just arbitrarily stopped me a while ago. And
Yes,
what?
so
All right, question. Do
how
you
am I
know
going
that
to
once?
find
Do
out
you
if
know?
you are taking something illegal?
Yeah, but you have to suspect me if you don't have suspicion. You can't do that. And this is too much. Yeah, too much. Eh?
Why you think the police?
Yeah, but you didn't tell me that from day one. If you pull me over and say you're suspect, me. No, I'm not trying to be difficult. No, I try to educate every time. All about class and everybody, you know. No, are the facts. Look, is that a while ago? That's an arbitrary stop unless she can tell him saying suspect him of something. Then it's illegal at the law. Officer. Anyway, me go done. I'm gonna castle and will have become. Go on.
We have a lot million pretty last in this year.
So, but you never see that. You should tell me that from day one. No, you have to tell me. The minute you declare that you're stopping me for a reason, your reason must be clear. And this is why I ask you to repeat. And if we got a clear, reasonable suspicion, fine. Anyway, if you order me to give me the documents, because I have a class on this time. If you order me to give me the documents, I'll give it to you.
So I order you. I'm giving you a laugh.
No, you ordered me.
You have a problem, man. You know you have a problem.
Me say, you give me a laugh for that, I'll give you my
I'll
documents.
laugh for that and to go to the police station.
No.
Park the vehicle until tomorrow, until I finish the investigation.
Yeah, then I can go park it, go on. Nothing wrong with
How
that.
will I feel about?
No problem. I go find another one. No problem. So you want the papers?
Yes,
You ordered me, remember that. You ordered me for the papers, sir? Just to be clear. Is it did you order me or did you ask me?
I'm giving you a laugh for that.
Okay, thank you very much. What's your name again, officer, before? What's your name again? Thompson. Well, okay, alright. Remember, sir, order me though. So when we're done, we can have this. Remember, sir, order me. And remember, sir, when you order somebody, the amount of money you get in a court gone up more. Yes, there you go. Because you exert your authority when you never have no right. Remember that. And how much are we encounter on the road, but a few are out there.
Exert my authority.
Yes, because once you say you order me, you have just exerted your authority. It's like when the court say order that you come. I refuse to give you freely.
And you refuse to give me
Freely, so I'm asking you to order
I give
me.
you a lawful order now.
And then
I know if you refuse,
that is when
then
something.
I will take action.
And then we have a whole problem. Don't worry, we cannot wait for a whole problem. Yes, man.
Why?
The lawsuits get fatter and fatter.
Well,
And that me I tell us that's how you go. That's how you go.
okay, Mr. German.
Yeah, Mr. Dunn.
So can I see the chunk?
I am not consenting to a search of my property. If you order me to search my property,
Yes, exactly what I'm
then
doing, Mr. Dunn.
fine. That's an order.
Yes, sir.
Remember,
I'd
you're
like
breaching my rights. Because your stop was not under any reasonable suspicion that I'm committing a crime or intended
Why
to
did
commit
I stop
one.
you, sir? Why?
You said
You
it.
think me out here
You see your conduct.
You think me
You
out
see
here
you're
acting?
doing document inspection. Question. You think the police have already stopped me to inspect my documents?
Passengers.
Yeah, we can
I
go
said
back.
Vehicle. I said document. Yes, so
So
I'd like to see the vehicle.
And then I ask what
I
crime.
upload the documents.
Yes.
I'd like to look at it.
So I'm asking you, what crime did you suspect me of committing?
At least I was just reading them out to you, you know.
No, you can't read them off of the.
Sir, the dangerous drugs.
That is not a crime, officer. That is just the other law that gives you the right. Under that law, you have the right. That's it.
I'm ordering you please to open it.
All right. Remember, that's an order, you know. And you see, when me get order, you see, last time I get an order, I want them to carry a code fast.
No problem. Sir.
Straight to the Supreme Court to get the money. Go on.
So why you
See the
comply?
style.
You like to be ordered.
I don't not like to be ordered. I don't like to
What you-
consent to
you like to
police
talk?
harassing.
You like to talk.
No. So when I get an order, I will comply.
I realize I like to talk.
No, man.
Can I look inside here?
Inside the vehicle?
I rather to order you again.
No, man. You done breach everything already, you know. So.
Yeah, that's so much grief for me.
I tell you. You think and it's jokes up, you know. I don't comply to harassment from the police.
Harassment?
Yes. And which one went on this window again? Oh, see that?
I don't say I'm harassing you.
Yeah, harassing me. Harassment, you call this?
Okay, Mr. Dunn.
Yes. Finish?
I'm not going to apologize for arresting you, so you can take it up with the law.
Who is your supervisor officer again?
My supervisor?
Yeah, and where do you attach again?
I am attached to the Portland Police.
Which station?
Well, this is a section really. That from Sansan. The Sansan.
So the Sansan.
So you can take it up from Sansan.
So that is Sergeant Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Ah, got you. And Inspector McBean. All right, good. All right. Just stick in the unit and the unit number. And I don't think it was harassment. I like to file lawsuits. So, stay there.